So friends, as you can see, we have BM Mini Cooper, and our tool, that is PS70 Pro, is here. So let's begin. So first of all, what we need to do, just choose diagnosis, and here you'll get all the options for Australia, China, America, India, Asia. Or if you are confused, then just search here, type BMW, and you'll get all the brands for BMW, Mini, or Rolls-Royce. So we need to choose Mini. Now it is connecting, and here you'll get 4 options: automatic selection, manual selection, manual operation, special functions. So we are scanning this car, so we need to go to automatic selection. Now it is getting the data of car. Here you can see it is showing all the imported data regarding this car, like VIN number, model series, model, everything. Now just choose OK. Now again you will get 4 options, that is diagnosis, service, fast reading, quick clear code. So we need to choose diagnosis. And again you will get 2 options, auto diagnosis or system diagnosis. If you want to choose this car manually, then choose system diagnosis, otherwise go for auto diagnosis. Now it is connecting with all the modules. So guys, as you can see, this system is very quick in comparison to other tools like Launch, G-Scan 2, or there are so many other brands available in the market, but in comparison to those all tools, this system is very fast. Here total 19 modules, so it has perfectly connected with all the modules. And if you want to see the report, so just choose report and you will get all the fault codes. Now go back and just click on clear code, and it will erase all the fault codes from all the modules if everything is okay, otherwise it will leave. So guys, as you can see, it is working very perfectly and very fast. The important thing is fast in comparison to other tools. Thank you for watching, and if you found this video useful, do like, share and subscribe to our YouTube channel.